Do you need metal screws for your metal roof? I've got to replace the metal screws for my metal roof for my shop because right now the washers have dry rotted because of UV damage over the years. Now when it rains, the water is going around this screw and down inside my shop. So I contacted Metal Roofing Screws, and they have hooked me up with a number 12 size screw right here with a dome cap. So this dome cap will actually protect my washer underneath from UV damage. It's good to go with a larger diameter size screw. This right here is a number 10. This is a number 12. I'm gonna show you how to install this metal screw for my metal roof. And if you need metal screws for your metal roof, I'm gonna give you a discount code in this video that you can use to be able to get a 5% discount at metalroofingscrews.com. So the first thing we're gonna do is take the screw and remove it like so, and you can see it is rusted. Then we're gonna take and remove that washer. See that washer there? Remove that. Then we're gonna take and hammer down the burr because I don't want to damage my new screw. This is a number 12, that was a number 10. At Metal Roofing Screws, they carry sizes number 10 to sizes number 17, and they've got about 2 million screws in stock. Also sent me a 5/16 bit and also an extended longer 5/16 bit, so that's really nice. So I'm gonna replace the 1/4 inch bit that I had in my cordless drill with the 5/16 bit. Now I'm gonna take this number 12 size screw, slip it in. Wow, look at that. That looks a lot better. And now if I replace all these screws, I am not going to have any more leaks in my metal roof inside my shop. So if you need metal screws for your metal roof, definitely check out metalroofingscrews.com. Link is in the description. There's a phone number, you can contact them, and whenever you go to order something off metalroofingscrews.com, definitely use the discount code Taddy5. Taddy5 is going to get you 5% discount off of your order. So definitely order that. And I love the fact that they've got more than one screw type. They've also got flashing. They've got metal pipe boots. So if you're installing a pipe through your metal roof, they've got boots, they've got flashing, they've got tools, sheet metal tools and screws ranging from sizes 10 all the way up to size 17, and they've got 2 million in stock. So if you got a huge roofing project, maybe you're a roofing company and you need a good supplier or distributor for your screws, definitely check out metalroofingscrews.com. Thank you so much to Metal Roofing Screws for hooking me up with a larger diameter size screw that's going to help me to make sure that after I replace these screws, I no longer have any leaks, because I don't need leaks in my roof. Also, make sure you don't use an impact. These screws, that you really need to use a cordless drill, but not an impact. So that's some advice I got for you. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and smash that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. You've been watching Taddy Digest, and I'll help you to replace your screws in your metal roof. Thanks for watching.